What's going on, guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how you can make money with Bitcoin and crypto in 2021 and beyond using your phone. Now, I'm going to be going over a strategy that's really worked for me over the last year and a half, and I'm going to be recommending two different apps and exchanges to check out, which are going to be Coinbase and eToro. Now, these are really the only two you need, and if you want to get started on either of them, I'll throw some bonus and resource links in both the description and comments of this video. And wanted to pull up my account balances on both real quick before we get into some of the strategies and methods. But you can see right now I've got right around 60-ish thousand on Coinbase. eToro crypto, don't have as much money, around that $1,500, $1,600, $1,700 mark. But, I've been trying to add some more money to my account over the last few weeks. Okay, so I want to blow this up a little bit so we can actually take a look at the strategy I'm going to be going over here. And I want to show you my 1 year history here on Coinbase because it is pretty ridiculous. Also, if you guys could smash the like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Okay, so, for the month, my account's basically doubled. But if we look at the 1 year, you could see I started off, a year ago right around $3,000. And, I've managed to, get my account up to what it is today, which is right around, the $65,000 mark. Now, the strategy I use to do this is called swing trading. It's, something that can be a little bit risky. You obviously have to put some practice and work into this, to get good at it. But I'll show you a couple coins, or at least one coin here that, I did this with, which is Chainlink. Now, a while back, Chainlink, wasn't at the price it is right now. It used to be around $2 to $4, and it was kind of stuck in that range for a while. So what I would do is I would buy in, around the $2 mark, and let's say about around $2.15. Then it went to maybe $2.30. I would immediately sell, take whatever the percentage was on that, whether it was 5% or so. And, I basically rinse and repeat this process. So, obviously it could go down the price after you buy it at a certain point. But for me, I kind of rode some of these waves out. I'd say I probably, was in the money 80% of the time when I was doing this. And I also did it with Stellar XLM. Stellar was kind of in a price point of around, 3 to 7 cents for a while. And I was trying to buy it in the 5 to 6 cent range. And I would, kind of buy it, flip it, and, I would do this simultaneously with multiple coins at once. So now swing trading, like I said, it's a little bit risky. It's something that you obviously just have to try to, get good at. And it really just kind of comes with practice. There's no one that's going to do this for you. And, I also want to go over some coins I would recommend, though, if you're looking to get into crypto right now at this moment, and for basically all of 2021. And there are other ways you can make money. You could obviously hold for the long term. So if you want to do that, you could do that as well. But if you're trying to compound your money faster, then you're going to need to, do swing trading. But Tron TRX, this coin's available on, eToro crypto right now. And, currently I own about $750 worth of this coin. I'm actually down a little bit of money on it, but it's been in the 1 to 3 cent range for the last year and a half, and I'm hoping it gets up to 10 cents and beyond. That's a top 20 crypto coin. Now, XRP, I'm actually doing pretty well here on eToro crypto. You can see I'm, up money on it a decent amount. And XRP, it's the third most popular crypto coin in the world. It's a banking token. A lot of people have been, speculating that it's going to break its all-time highs again real soon. So, I mean, if you can get this coin right now, basically under or in the 50 cent range, you're willing to hold on to that one for a while. I think it's a good one. 88 Cardano, this coin's only available on eToro right now, but it's definitely a good one. It's a top 10 crypto coin. If you could pick it up between 10, 13, 14 cents, I think it's a good buy. Its all-time high was well over $1. So you can see it's really down from where it used to be. So, I mean, that's kind of an important point to make here. It's got a lot of room to go up. Okay, and then back over to Coinbase. We got another coin here, Stellar XLM. I kind of mentioned it already for how I was doing some swing trading. But, this coin, it's it's one that has a bright future in my opinion. Its all-time high was around 90 cents. You know, it's up a lot for the year, but I think that if you can get into XLM, you know, basically between like 14 and 15 cents, and, you know, maybe you're willing to hold on to that one for a while, I think it's a good one. It's also a good one to swing trade, though. I mean, it kind of goes up and down quite a bit. And then Orchid, all right, OXT. Now, this is a VPN-based crypto coin. I think this is a really good buy. I mean, it shot up to $1 not too long ago, which was its all-time high, but it kind of stays in the 15 to 25 cent, 30 cent range. You know, if you could pick it up in there, you know, I think that you're going to be good to go on it. But bottom line, guys, you know, making money with crypto, Bitcoin, any of these altcoins, you know, using your phone in 2021 beyond, it's definitely possible. You got to research some of this, the coins that you're going to buy, get a feel for where their price points are at, you know, the potential. If you're going to try swing trading, obviously, you know, it can be a little bit risky, so you know, don't put more money into that you can afford to lose. But if you long-term hold on some of these coins, I think they're going to go up quite a bit as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.